a transformation from this to this. So the tea on this hair. Today I have in a wig by Lulabelle's Hair. I first discovered them on Instagram. They have amazing synthetic wigs that look so realistic, and they're frontals rather than closures. You guys know that frontals always look way more realistic than closures. So although this is a synthetic wig, it does have lace all the way around, so you can glue it down if you want. And I just think this hair is perfect for like the upcoming party season, if you want to switch up your hair but don't want to break the bank, because we've already got enough people to be buying presents for, you know what I mean? So if you want to save some coin and look super cute with some new hair, then Lulabelle's is perfect for you to have an array of amazing wigs, like super long, bobs, short, colored, blonde, wavy, all of that. Whatever you need, Lulabelle's got you. And look at this body, look at this body, baby, look at this body. A lot of people say that obviously synthetic hair looks super wiggish, but I think this is quite natural. What do you think? I look like a snack. I look like a snack. What do you mean? Like a strawberry candy floss snack. Yeah. Hello everybody. So we're gonna get on to the hair. Please excuse my appearance right now. It's all about to change very soon, so let's just ignore that. Just ignore that. Okay, yeah, okay. So Lulabelle's kindly contacted me to collaborate on this hair, on their new wigs. This one is called the Peachy. So it comes in packaging like this, super cute. All the packaging is amazing, and you get to take away a really nice kind of silk-ish bag. The wig in the bag comes like this, and so we're gonna remove that net right now to reveal a beautiful pink ombre, like black to pink wig. It's synthetic, but it's super flowy and it's really smooth. As you can see, my hands are gliding through super easily. So I'm going to show you guys how to actually wear this hair and make it look cute. Okay, not make it look like a synthetic wig. These wigs are super high quality. So first of all, I'm going to start off with wearing a wig cap, which comes in the packaging of the Lulabelle's wigs, which is great. Inside the wig are 3 combs, 1, 2 and 3, and it also has an elastic band. Has lace running through the perimeter, and it comes already parted. So what we're going to do to start is customize this lace. We're going to use some foundation lightly to just conceal the inside to make it look like our skin tone. So of course you can use whatever colour foundation you normally are, but I'm just going to use a dark brown shade, and I'll be right back. So I'm just going to take a powder brush. I'm going to be using powder foundation, and then I'm just going to be concealing the inside like this. So after you've done that and you're happy with the shade, I'm going to be taking our scissors and cutting the perimeter of that lace. Super self-explanatory. Actually, you can do this while it's on your head. It might be a little bit easier. Before we go ahead and cut the lace, we're going to want to pluck a little bit more of just the perimeter, just to make it look that little bit more natural. So take your tweezers and pluck away. Our quickly has changed because I feel like the pink was just clashing a little bit too much. So I'm going to take a brush like this, an angled brush, and then my concealer shade. And then just lightly go ahead and create that middle part. Just make it a little bit more obvious, and this makes so much difference. But when you do add the line, make sure that it's not too straight. Make sure it looks kind of natural, and then rub it in once you're done so it looks more like skin. Voila! And don't be afraid to extend your parting a little bit so it again looks more natural. So with my Got To Be spray, I'm going to spray like the top of my hair really lightly, just so to get rid of any flyaways. So now you can go ahead and cut that lace. Be careful with this. Start in the middle. And then the other side. Lovely. Right, so we're gonna move on to the rest of my face. Let me just tie my hair up real quick. Oh, so okay, I'm using my Huda Beauty foundation on my face as always. I think I'm gonna go back to Fenty because I just want to switch up my look a little bit. I want to try something new, you know. But I'm literally such a creature of habit. Like, if I like something, that is it. Like, I will ride that till the wheels fall off. I've literally never said that phrase in my entire life, so okay. But this foundation, obviously, it's just really high coverage and everything, so, but I think I need to step out my comfort zone now and try something new. This lace, by the way, is so good. Like, I don't even need to glue it down, and it blends really seamlessly into my skin, especially because I added that brown powder at the beginning. That makes a world of a difference. Okay. I'm gonna conceal around my mouth because I just want that area to be the same color as the rest of my face. But naturally it's a lot darker, so I always have to color correct. Oh, my skin is getting so dry. We're in this winter streets. Like, can it be summer again already? I'm literally over it. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to my under eye. I'm using MAC concealer to go under my eyes and brighten that up. My Revolution Conceal and Define under my eyes to add a creamy finish. I like to layer, okay? So that's just my preference. If you guys think it's too much, then feel free to, you know, just do one layer. But I like a full coverage, especially in the winter, because ain't nothing melting off. So I can go all the way in with my coverage. We like a full coverage queen. Sometimes I literally surprise myself. I can do my makeup in like 20 minutes these days. In my old age, I can literally get ready from start to finish in about half an hour, including shower, everything. If I have an outfit planned, actually. If I don't, then it's a little bit more techie, but usually I'm good to go in half an hour. I really don't care anymore. I leave the house looking all kinds of messy sometimes. Like, I surprise myself. I'm like, oh, really? So you look homeless? Like, homeless? It's my favorite pastime. Okay, now that you're looking kind of flawless, then you take your Laura Mercier powder and bake under the eyes. I told you guys this trick and it helped quite a lot of you. So once you put your beauty blender into the sponge, go and just dab the residue on the back of your hand lightly, and it just makes the powder really smooth on application. Like, there's no bumps and stuff. This has changed the game high key for me. It just applies so nice and soft and like really flawless. Okay, contour time. So to transition the contour and the rest of your face, I'm going to use the Black Opal finishing powder in the darkest shade, number 4. On my forehead. Okay, time for highlight. My favorite part. Cute.